So, okay, so in this project we will do a project on 13 level cascade H bridge multi-level inverter. Okay, so for this project we required components. Okay, let us start with the components. So first one is search for a DC voltage source. Okay, so DC voltage source. So take this block. Okay, add block to model. Okay, so after that, okay, so then search for MOSFET. Okay, so take the MOSFET block and after search for RLC. Okay, series RLC. Okay, series RLC. Add block. Okay, so next search for a sine wave, that is go to the signals. Okay, so okay, sorry. So in a source you will get a sine waves. Okay, add block. Okay, so here you take a sine wave and also repeating sequence. Okay, add block. Okay, so next search for relational operator. Okay, so take relational operator. Okay, add block and after search for gain. Okay, so GAIN. Okay, add block. Okay, so next is our voltage measurements block. Add. Okay, take scope and also power GUI. Okay, add block. Okay, so add these blocks in your project. Okay, so let us start the connections now. Okay, so now take the MOSFET block and click on Ctrl R to rotate the block. Okay, so next do the connections. Okay, so take copy the MOSFET to create a full bridge. Okay, so place it here like this. Okay, place it here. So now do the connections. Okay, negative to negative. Okay, so and okay, so connect this to here. Okay, so and this to here and this one to here. Okay, so connections like this. Okay, so next copy this circuit. Okay, and place it here. Okay, okay, so now copy this DC voltage source, keep it here, make the connections. Okay, next search for series RLC load. Okay, okay, select this one. Okay, series RLC load. Okay, so double click on this, make the inductive value and capacitive value as 0. Okay, and click on OK. Okay, so after that rotate the load. Okay, so and voltage measurements block and the scope block. Okay, okay, so now so connect the resistance to the here. Okay, and here from here. Okay, so next connect the this connection to here. Okay, like this. Okay, make the connections as per this diagram. Okay, okay, So this is a cascade connection. Okay. So after that, connect the voltage sensor measurement block across the load. Okay, and connect it to the scope block. Okay. So now double click on the power GUI module and make it as a discrete. Okay, and click on OK. Okay. So now take the sine wave. Okay, and also repeating sequence, place it here. Okay, double click on the sine wave. Okay, so here amplitude must be 4. Okay, and the frequency must be 2 into pi into 50. Okay, 2 pi f. Okay, so check the parameters and then the click OK. Okay, so and double click on the repeating sequence. So this here time value must be 0 and 1. Okay, and output values must be 0 and 1. Okay, click on OK. Okay, so after making this, double click on the relational operator. So make this as a less than is equal to. Okay, less than is equal to, and click on OK. Okay, so connect these two, so sine wave and repeating sequence, and relation operator must be connected to this MOSFET. Okay, and again connect it to this MOSFET. Okay, so like this. Okay, so you should connect like this, so this MOSFET and this MOSFET. Okay. Okay, so now take the gain block, place it here. Okay, so and okay, so connect it to the sine wave. Okay, here take the repeating sequence. Okay, copy this one, place it here. Okay, take the relational operator. Okay, so before this one, make the gain into gain -1. Okay, -1, and click on OK. Okay, so make the connections these two. Okay, so after that, these relation operator connect it to the this MOSFET. Okay, and also this MOSFET, these two must be connected with the this one. Okay, so once again check the connections. Okay, like this. Okay, so after this one, copy these blocks. Okay, and move it to the second circuits. Okay, like this. Okay. Okay, so now connect the, so as per the above circuits. Okay, connect as per the above circuit, like this. Okay, so in this case we should change the repeating sequence. Okay, double click on that. So output must be 1 and 2. Okay, repeating sequence output must be 1 and 2. Okay, click on OK. So and this one also. Okay, this one must be 0, 1 must be 1, 2. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, so this is a change required. Okay. Okay, so you need a 13 level output. No, so for that you must connect 6 circuits. Okay, 6 bridges. Okay, so let us copy and paste these bridges. Okay. Okay, so now copy these things. Okay, like this. Okay. Okay, so delete these lines and also sine waves. Okay, so connect this one to here. Okay, for the first sine waves, this one also. Okay, like this. So and this one must be connected to here. Okay, like this. Okay, so and another one changes. So this must be connected to above circuit. Okay, from here to here, like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so now 3 circuit completed, like that. place it like this. Okay, so and okay, another one. Okay, so next like that, paste another one. Okay, so after this make the connections. Okay, so this one minute. Okay, see here, uh, this connection, it must be connected to here. Okay, this line. Uh, See here, so this connection, and from this you must connect it to here. Okay, here, this connection. Okay, see here. Okay, so after that connect this. Okay, this one to here, like the same. Okay, okay, so after that from here you must connect it to here. Okay, like this. Okay, so last you must connect it to from here, you must connect it to here. Okay, so once again see the connections. Okay, so make these connections correctly. Okay, okay, so connect it to the here, and okay, so make these connections correctly. Okay, like this. So once again I will show you the circuits. Okay, so make sure the ending is correctly connected. Okay, so and after that from here, okay, from here take the connections and move upward, connect it to the resistance. Okay, here, connect it to here. Okay, so now your circuit is complete. Okay, so once again see the circuit. So connections, this is the first bridge. Okay, so this is second bridge. Okay, so this is the third bridge. Okay, so and fourth, fifth and sixth. Okay, okay, so another one changes parameters. So in first repeating sequence we have given the output values as 0 and 1. Okay, so and here also 0 and 1. Okay, so in next circuit we have given 1 in 2. Okay, here also 1 and 2. Okay, so now in this third circuit we must give 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3. So this one, third circuit must be 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Click on OK. And this is a fourth circuit. And here you must give to 3 and 4. 3, 4. So this is also 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay. So then click on OK. So this one, next circuit, 4 and 5. Okay. This one also 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Click on OK. Okay. So at last circuit, 5 and 6. Output values must be 5 and 6. Click on OK. So this also 5 and 6. Click on OK. Okay. So that's all. Your connections are ready. Please check once again. Okay. So it's okay. So once again check the circuit connection. Okay, so this is a sine wave block. It's common for every circuit.